When did it all just click for you? They were right, you were wrong, it was all true. For your sanity, a letter will be sufficient. You'll be all better. Are you better? There is nothing to be afraid of, they said. No aftermath, no, it'll all be paid off by then. But now you're here and you hate yourself. You didn't know you would hate yourself, and now you're waking up to memories you didn't know you had. This dream of yours was bound to end, and now you've got to start preparing yourself for the larger scales, 'cause you're on your own through the high winds. How does it feel to fall asleep, knowing that you survived through the worst bit, better than living for sure? So you'll never let go, but it's worth it. Was it worth it? There is nothing to be afraid of, they said. Then tell me why I feel like a laid off patient. You whisper at the beep, and after screaming in your sleep, you're waking up to memories you didn't know you had. This dream of yours was bound to end, so now you better start preparing yourself for the larger scales, 'cause you're on your own through the high winds. Nobody's there in the end. So where do you go from here? You find it hard not to ask questions, and it's only natural. Whenever you live in soul, then your sense of identity is gone. What part do you play in a world where you don't feel like you're someone? And you're forced to start preparing yourself for the larger scales, 'cause you're on your own through